add olive oil in. Thank you so much, Sue Z. Balsamic vinegar in. Rice, no. But is it good? I'm going to add some mayonnaise. Like a very high mix. This has to be on point, because if this is not on point, isn't that too much mayonnaise? No, it's alright, because it's going to be two cans of tuna. I thought it was a head and shoulders hair washing. Honey bunnies, as I was mentioning on my lives, if any of you honey bunnies are getting married abroad, or if you are already married, be sure to send me a DM on Instagram, which is Beyoutiful Honey. And I will put you in touch with the immigration company that will give you free immigration advice. So honey buns, be sure to send me a DM, because I just want to save you that money, you know what I mean? Because you can get the immigration advice for free. So send me a DM on Beyoutiful Honey. Put mixed herbs in here. A generous amount. That is it. I'm adding some, a bit of cayenne pepper. Little bit. And I'm going to add some this, which is fusilli. People used to say that, P-A-K-I. Boring, like, be creative with your, if you're gonna cook this. Thank you to everyone really for giving me the support on here. I'm going to add, did you use tuna in brine, water or oil? I always get the water one. Like this in their hands sometimes. Yubi. But yeah, be sure to follow me on Instagram, which is Beyoutiful Honey. Can you say hi to Khadija? Hi! Hi Khadija, I hope you're okay. I hope you are enjoying your life. Thank you so much for joining and watching. That's so nice of you. Thank you so much, Nothing News. Which colour is your lipstick? It is like a nudie colour. It's called Nude by Nia. Nia Cosmetics. You are very strong ladies. Thank you so much. I'm just making tuna pasta. Thank you so much, Maya. It's very good. I'm going to give this a mix. Like this. And you can put them as thick as possible. Are out. They're very useful actually. Guys, should I put this recipe on TikTok? No. Why do you so late? Because I'm new. Tuna Pasta Salad. Oh my god, it's gonna be so literally mixing. Guys, you can literally eat this on its own. Unless it gets crispy. Trust me, it's so gorgeous. You can literally eat. You guys can make this because it's quite nice. Like it's quite refreshing to eat. It's quite refreshing. Because not always meat, do you know what I mean? There you go, that's kind of done. Then I'm going to add, good idea, I'm going to add all the pasta in. Right. No. Butter. Ooh. No problem. We're just going to focus on these ones. To add garlic granules in here. Related ingredients, that is seed. And a bit of garlic. Make it for your family, make it for yourself.